The American Industrial Revolution, spanning from the late 19th to the early 20th century, marked a period of dramatic transformation that reshaped the United States economic and social landscape. This era was characterized by a surge in technological innovations, notably the introduction of steam and electrical power, which revolutionized manufacturing processes and increased productivity exponentially. As industries like steel, oil, and railroads flourished, they gave rise to influential figures such as Andrew Carnegie and John D. Rockefeller, whose fortunes were built on the back of these burgeoning sectors. The ethos of laissez-faire capitalism dominated, advocating minimal governmental interference in business, which facilitated rapid industrial growth, but also exacerbated disparities between the wealthy elite and the working poor. The growing industrial economy spurred massive urban migration, with people flocking to cities in search of jobs, leading to expanded urban areas and the rise of significant socioeconomic challenges. Workers faced long hours, low wages, and dangerous conditions, sparking the formation of labor unions and the initiation of strikes and protests like the Haymarket Riot and the Pullman Strike, which highlighted the tensions between laborers and industrial magnates. This period also attracted millions of immigrants, mainly from Europe, who provided the labor force needed for America's industrial machines. Despite facing xenophobia, these immigrants contributed to a rich cultural mosaic that infused American society with diverse influences. The progressive movement emerged in response to the era's excesses, pushing for reforms to curb corporate power and improve living and working conditions. This movement laid the groundwork for future regulatory policies. Culturally, the Industrial Revolution influenced arts and literature, echoing themes of modernization and the human condition amid industrial growth. The changes ushered in during this period not only made the United States a global industrial leader, but also highlighted the need for a balance between industrial expansion and the welfare of its workforce, a discourse that remains relevant in today's economic and labor debates.